Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you all about the identity a plus b into a minus b. About it you already studied in the junior classes in standard 7 and 8 board. First of all, we have to multiply a plus b and a minus b. A into a minus b plus b into a minus b. A will be multiplied by a minus b and plus b will be multiplied by a minus b. In this way we get a into a square, a into b minus ab, b into a. This will also give ab. Plus minus minus b into b, b square. Minus ab plus ab will be cancelled and we will be left with a square minus b. This identity will be used to solve the problems of exercise 3b. First of all, I will solve 10 problems from this exercise. You have to practice these problems in your copy. You have to see the video and practice these problems. After that, you have to solve the exercise 3b. The first problem, 25 by 4x square minus 1 by 9y square. Let us start with it. First problem, 25 by 4x square minus 1 by 9y square. We know that a square of 5 is 25, a square of 2 is 4 and a square of x is x square. In the same way, 1 by 3y square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. Here it is a square minus b square. Therefore the factor will be a plus b and a minus b. And therefore we write 5 by 2x plus 1 by 3y into 5 by 2x minus 1 by 3. Now the second problem, 27 a square minus 48 b square. When we find the HCF of 27 and 48, we find 3. And 3 will be taken as common. We will left with 9a square minus 16b square. You already know 9a square is the square of 3a and 16b square is the square of 4b. And therefore, now it is of the form a square minus b square. We write a plus 4b I into 3a minus 4b. This will be the factorization of 27a square minus 48b square. Now, we see the third problem. It is a square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. A square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. Now we take minus as common in these three terms. Therefore we will get b square minus 2bc plus c square. It will give a square minus b minus c square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. We write a plus b minus c and a minus b minus c. A plus b, a minus b. Like this, a plus b, a minus b. Here at the place of b, we are taking b minus c. And therefore, the result will be a plus b minus c and a minus b plus minus plus minus. Minus minus plus. This is the multiplication. Now, we fourth problem. That is 1 plus 2ab minus a square plus b. Now we write 1 minus a square plus b square. This is in bracket. Now we have to break this bracket. We will get 2ab minus a square minus b. Now 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. We have just changed the place of these terms. Now 1 minus, if we are going to take minus as common, we left with a square plus b square minus 2ab. You already know about it. This is the identity that gives the value a square of a minus b. A minus b square, that gives a square b square minus 2ab. You know about it. And therefore, here 1 can be written as 1 square. And now it is of the form a square minus b square. And therefore, we will write a plus b and a minus b at the place of a1 and at the place of b a minus b. At the place of a we assume 1 and at the place of b we assume a minus b. And when we write a plus b, it will be 1 plus a minus b. When we write a minus b, it will be 1 minus a minus b. After breaking these brackets, we get 1 plus a minus b and 1 minus a plus b. Now, we come to the fifth problem. 81 x to the power 4, y to the power 4. This is the square of 9x square and this is the square of y square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. We will write 9x square plus y square and 9x square minus y square. 9x square plus y square, it is 9x square may be written as a square of 3x and it is y square. Again it is of the form a square minus b square and therefore we have to write a plus b a minus b and it will be 9x square plus y square 3x plus y 3x minus y. This will be the factorization of this expression. Okay. Now we have to solve the sixth problem. The sixth problem is x to the power 4 plus 4 by x to the power 4. Here x to the power 4 is the square of x square and 4 by x to the power 4 is the square of 2 by x square. Now we write, especially we are doing ourselves. Here there is no term after the given two terms, but we have to factorize it, and factorization we have to give 2 into x square into 2 by x square. Now we are finding this term is not given here, but we have written here, if x square will be cancelled by x square, we will left with 2 to the 4. And therefore, we have given extra addition of 4. So, we write minus 4 here. 4 minus 4, that will be cancelled. We will left with only these two terms after that. But now it is a square, b square, 2ab. It is of the form a square, b square, 2ab. And therefore we can write x square plus 2 by x square square. That is a square of a plus b at the place of a, x square at the place of b, 2 by x square. And this 4 will be written as 2 square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square, and therefore it will be written as a plus b and a minus b. Therefore it will be x square plus 2yx square plus 2 and x square plus 2yx square minus 2. Now we come to the next problem 7. X to the power 4, x square y square and y to the power 4. We may write a square of x square, 2x square y square and a square of y square. Here it is only x square y square, but we have written 2x square y square, and therefore we must have to subtract x square y square. 2 minus 1, it will remain 1. Now it is of the form a square 2ab plus b square. At the place of a, x square, at the place of b, y square. And therefore it will be a square of x square, y square. And it will be a square of xy. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. And therefore we will write a plus b, that is x square plus y square plus xy, and a minus b, that is x square plus y square minus xy. Now we have to solve the 8th problem. What is that? This is a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. First we have to do the multiply. A into a square, a into 1, a plus minus minus plus minus, b into b, b square, minus minus plus, b into 1, b. Now we have to rearrange these terms so that it will be factorized, and therefore after rearrangement we get a square minus b square minus a plus. A square minus b square may be written as a plus b, a minus b. Here we have to take 1 as common and we left with a minus b. Minus minus plus 1 into b. Any problem? Now we find a minus b is common in these two terms. Therefore a minus b will be taken as common and we left with a plus b minus 1. Okay. Now we have to solve the 9th problem. What is that? X square plus 1 by x square minus 3. X square plus 1 square, 1 by x square minus 3. Here we have to do our own arrangement. That is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x and minus 1. X will be cancelled, then we will left with minus 2 and minus 1. This will be minus 2. Now it is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x minus 1. Now it is of the form a square plus b square minus 2a. And therefore we write x minus 1 by a square. That is a square of a minus b. And here it is 1. 1 may be written as 1 square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. And therefore it will be x minus 1 by x plus 1 and x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Next, the 10th problem. This is x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 4. Again we have to do the rearrangement. A square of x square plus 2 into x square into 2 plus 2 square. X to the power 4. Here 2 to the 4x square, but it is 3x square. So therefore we have to write minus x square here. 4x square minus x square, it will give 3x square. And a square of 2 will give 4. Here we have just done the rearrangement. Now it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, and therefore it will be a. At the place of a we have to write x square, and at the place of b we have to write 2 minus x square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square, and therefore it will be x square plus 2 plus x, and x square minus plus 2 minus x. Now we may write x square plus x plus 2, x square minus x plus 2. If you are going to solve all these 10 problems with the help of the video classes and just by observing the sheet which will be provided on your WhatsApp group, it will be possible for you to solve most of the problems of exercise 3B through R.S. Agarwal. But if you are finding any problem, you have to ask on your WhatsApp group in your doubt class. Okay?